चलेगा तेने मुड़ नंबर कंजर बरसा మన దేశంలో ఖాకీ రంగు ఏకరూప దుస్తులను పోలీస్ అధికారులు ధరించడానికి 1847వ సంవత్సరంలో ప్రారంభించారు. ఖాకీ రంగు మన భౌగోళిక పరిస్థితుల్లో ఎక్కువ సమయం పనిచేయడానికి అనుకూలంగా మరియు ఖాకీ రంగు ప్రజా సేవకు కూడా చిహ్నంగా చెప్పబడుతుంది. మన తెలంగాణ పోలీస్ అధికారులు కూడా ఖాకీ రంగు దుస్తులను ఉపయోగించడం కొనసాగుతూ వస్తోంది. తల మీద ధరించే టోపీకి ముందు భాగం జాతీయ చిహ్నమైన సింహ తలాటం, భుజాలపై రెండు వైపులా తెల్లగా మరియు 2 లోహ నక్షత్రాలు, వాటికి వెలుపల ఎరుపు మరియు బ్లూ రంగు కలిగిన బ్యాడ్జ్ మరియు ఎడమవైపు భుజానికి ఎరుపు రంగు విజిల్ కార్డ్, ఛాతీకి కుడివైపు నామ ఫలకము, నడుముకు సింహ తలాటము ఉన్న బకెట్తో కూడినటువంటి బ్రౌన్ రంగు తోలు బెల్టు, పాదాలకు బ్రౌన్ రంగు తోలు బూట్లు పోలీస్ అధికారులు ధరించడం మనం గమనిస్తూ ఉన్నాం. తలకు ధరించే టోపీ రాజ్యానికి, ప్రభుత్వానికి, చట్టానికి చిహ్నం. మెరుస్తున్న లోహపు నక్షత్రాలు అధికార స్థాయికి, బ్యాడ్జ్ మీద ఉన్న ఎరుపు రంగు గౌరవానికి, కష్టానికి, బ్లూ రంగు చట్ట సమానత్వానికి చిహ్నము. నడుముకు పెట్టుకున్న బెల్టు అధికారి యొక్క క్రమశిక్షణను, హుందాతనాన్ని సూచిస్తూ శక్తిని పెంపొందిస్తుంది. చూడండి, ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ చూడండి, మీ చప్పట్లతోటి ఆహ్వానిస్తూ అభినందనలు తెలియచేయండి. వారి ఆహార్యం ఒక్కసారి చూడండి. నిటారుగా సురదుర్పంతో 2 కాళ్ల మీద నడుచుకుంటూ ఛాతీ నిండా గాలి నింపుకుని హుందాగా వస్తున్నటువంటి మన పోలీసులు. Contingent Commander on the first contingent, Anugula Raghavendra Reddy. Second in command, Kadala Venukumar. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the first contingent. As we witness the second contingent commander, Singireddy Satish Kumar Reddy, second in command, Irene Agasya Bhargava. గట్టిగా మీ కరతాళ ధ్వనులతో వాళ్ళ వరకు వినిపించే విధంగా మీ అభినందనలు తెలియజేయవలసిందిగా మనవి. Third contingent commander, Malis Shashivardhan Reddy, second in command, Koski Chandrasekhar. Fourth contingent commander, Mood Ajay, second in command, Mudavat Ranjit Kumar. Fifth contingent commander, Tatikonda Sai Shashank, second in command, K. Kiran Paul. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the 6th contingent commander, Galla Saumya, second in command, Ganji Vijaya. Seventh contingent commander, Vanda Mamata, second in command, Sushma Shivampet. Women in forces, that is the way to go, and a huge applause to our women in charge officers passing out the parade. 8th contingent commander, Mood Jaipal, second in command, Boini Saujanya. 9th contingent commander, Kavalla Shailender, second in command, Boddu Jyoti. 10th contingent commander, Bunta Praveen, and second in command, Akhil Kumar. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's all cheer the parade. 11th contingent commander, Pasipula Nagaraju, and second in command, M. Kamalakar. బ్యాండ్ సభ్యులకు మరియు 12th కంటింజెంట్ కమాండర్ గండికోట తిరుమలేష్, సెకండ్ ఇన్ కమాండ్ వి ప్రసాద్ రావు గారు గట్టిగా చప్పట్లతోటి అభినందనలు తెలియజేద్దాం. నిషాన్ చోలి బృందానికి గట్టిగా మన చప్పట్లతోటి అభినందనలు. ఫ్లాగ్ బేరర్ రాహుల్, యూనిట్ ఫ్లాగ్ బేరర్ హరిశంకర్, కలర్ పార్టీ సాయిని సాయి అవినాష్, ఇంజేటి వెస్లీ, పుల్లూరి సుశాంత్ అండ్ జోగు యాదయ్య. ఎంతో హుందాగా యూనిఫామ్ వేసుకుని ఒక్కొక్కరిగా ముందుకు నడుచుకుంటూ వస్తున్న పరేడ్ ని మనం వీక్షిస్తున్నాం. స్ఫురద్రూపంతో రెండు కాళ్ల మీద నడుచుకుంటూ ఛాతి నిండా గాలిని నింపుకుని హుందాతనంతో ముక్కు సూటిగా చూస్తూ కాలి మడమల మీద కవాతుతో భాగంగా నడుస్తూ చేతులను స్వేచ్ఛగా ఊపుతూ తమ విధులను కర్తవ్యాలను చట్ట ప్రకారం ఎటువంటి వివక్ష లేకుండా నిర్వర్తించి ప్రభుత్వము, పోలీస్ విభాగము, ప్రజలు తమ మీద పెట్టుకున్న నమ్మకాన్ని నిలబెడతాం అంటూ అకాడమీ డైరెక్టర్ గారి, తెలంగాణ డీజీపీ గారి, గౌరవ తెలంగాణ ముఖ్యమంత్రి వర్యులు యనమల రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారి వాగ్దానాన్ని చేస్తున్నట్టుగా ఉంది. ఈ పరేడ్ అభినందనలు, శుభాశీస్సులు అందిస్తున్నాం ఈ తరుణాన. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the passing out parade by our dynamic police officers of our Telangana state. A huge round of applause. Parade! Aage badhega! Daye mud! Dikshan parade! Madhya sach karega! Madhya sach! दीक्षांत परेड समीक्षा क्रम में आगे बढ़ेगा मध्य से चल। Let's all put our hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations. Dikshant Parade, General Salute, Salami Shastra. Parade, Kande Shastra. Parade, Bajo Shastra. Dikshant Parade, address by Honorable Director, TGPA.
Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, Shri A. Revanth Reddy Garu, Director General of Police, Dr. Jitendra Garu, distinguished guests, esteemed colleagues, staff of the Academy, family members, cadets, members of the media, and dear friends. It is an immense honor and privilege to stand before you on this momentous occasion of the passing out parade of the third batch of stipendiary cadet sub-inspectors. Today marks the culmination of long months of rigorous training and dedication that has transformed these young individuals into capable and committed officers ready to serve the people of Telangana. Established in 1986, the Telangana State Police Academy has been instrumental in shaping the careers of thousands of police officers, not only from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, but from across the country. Our reputation as a center of excellence has been recognized by prominent organizations such as UNODC, NCRB, NHRC, and UNIFEM. We are the proud recipients of the Union Home Minister's Trophy for the best training institute in the country, given to us no less than 3 times, in 2015, 2018, and 2022. These accolades reaffirm the strength of our training programs and the dedication of our trainers. This year's batch is especially noteworthy. We have a total of 547 cadet sub-inspectors, 401 of which are civil, 71 AR CPL, 29 Telangana Special Police, 22 ITNC, 12 SPF, 3 PTO sub-inspectors, and 9 Fingerprint Bureau's assistant sub-inspectors. Of these, 145 are women. It is heartening to see the rising participation of women in Telangana Police, a reflection of the government's commitment to gender representation in law and enforcement. These trainees come from diverse educational backgrounds. 75 of them are postgraduates from fields such as computers, communication, management, pharma, tech, etc. Interestingly, 109 cadet sub-inspectors have qualified from the ranks of police constables. The training imparted was designed to be holistic and multifaceted, with a good balance between theoretical knowledge and practical application. Indoor subjects such as behavioral sciences, cyber forensics, history of Telangana, public speaking, and effective communication were taught alongside with the new criminal laws and special and local laws. The outdoor schedule was rigorous indeed, encompassing physical fitness, the dreaded 10-kilometer run, drills, mob operations, field craft and tactics, etc. Techniques like 1-minute drills were introduced to sharpen response time and decision-making under pressure. Understanding the importance of community-oriented policing, the trainees were given exposure to sensitive areas such as gender sensitization, anti-human trafficking, difficulties faced by differently abled in police interaction, personal financial management, etc., by leading experts. To make the trainees future ready, special emphasis was laid on cyber forensics, left-wing extremism, mob control and traffic management, while honing their proficiency in investigation of crime such as gender-based violence, economic and cyber offenses, murder, assault, accidents, etc. Over 120 actual case files were scrutinized and analyzed by them, giving each trainee the opportunity to work on a real case to enhance their understanding of the minutiae of criminal investigation. The trainees have proved their mettle in mega events such as the Samakka Sarlamma Jatra and the state and the general elections Bandobast. They will shortly be deployed for the Ganesh Nimajjanam Bandobast. Our top performers have truly excelled. Ms. Palle Bhagyashri Civil, Ms. Galla Soumya AR, and Shri M. Jaipal TGSP are the overall toppers. They will be receiving the Chief Minister's revolver and trophy for the best all-round performance. All these 3 have also secured the highest marks in indoor subjects, earning them the Home Minister's trophy and baton as well. In the outdoor subjects, Shri Tatikonda Shai Shashank Civil, Ms. Galla Soumya AR, G. Tirumalesh TGSP stood first and will be awarded the Director General's trophy. Ms. Banda Mamta Civil, P. Nagaraju AR, and Shri C. Sai Kumar TGSP outdid all others in firing accuracy, earning them the Director's trophy for the best firer. As the first woman director of the Telangana Police Academy, it fills me with immense pride to see women excelling, topping both in indoor and outdoor subjects. The achievements of Ms. Pallav Bhagyashree, Ms. Galla Soumya, and Ms. Banda Mamta showcase the readiness of women to serve as highly professional police officers, making a strong statement about the evolving role of women in law enforcement. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the entire team of trainers who have worked relentlessly to shape these cadets into officers grounded in discipline and integrity. This is a proud day for all the trainees. You are now entrusted with the safety and security of the people of Telangana. Uphold the values you have learnt here and serve with honor and courage. At the conclusion, I express my deepest gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri A. Revanth Reddy Garu, for his gracious presence here today. Sir, your unwavering commitment to democratic principles and the immense support to building a strong and efficient police force inspires us all. I thank you on the behalf of the trainees and the entire police force for taking the time to be here on this momentous occasion for Telangana Police. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Madam. Thank you very much. Address by Honorable DGP, Telangana State.
Parade Southern! Parade Bishop!
Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, Shri A. Revanth Reddy Garu, Director of Telangana Police Academy, Abhilasha Bisht Garu, my esteemed colleagues, distinguished guests, family members of cadet SIs, members of print and electronic media, cadet sub-inspectors, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am extremely happy to address you at this colorful and memorable passing out parade and this momentous occasion of your joining the prestigious Telangana Police. Today you have taken oath of Constitution under national flag. It heartens me to join you again within a span of 20 days when I had interacted with you. Today I must congratulate all of you for showing a wonderful parade. Your turnout has been excellent and parade has been outstanding. I am very happy to see this parade and such a great moment. I must say that you have chosen a noble profession that demands integrity, courage, and unwavering commitment to justice. As sub-inspectors, you will be at the backbone of our law enforcement system. Your role is crucial in maintaining law and order, preventing crime, and ensuring safety and security to all the citizens in our state. Soon you will be entrusted with responsibility of enforcing the law impartially and with integrity. Your actions must always reflect the highest standards of professionalism and ethics. Building strong relationship with community is very essential in these modern times. I plead all of you, I request all of you in your entire career, be approachable, listen to the concerns of the people and work collaboratively to address their issues. Your presence should inspire trust and confidence in the community. Your role is not always for responding to the crimes. It is very important you take active interest in prevention of crime and detection of crime and gather evidence in all the cases which are reported to you. As sub-inspectors, you will lead a team of police personnel at the ground level. You need to lead by example, foster teamwork and ensure that your team operates with efficiency and dedication. Field of law enforcement is constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest laws, technologies and best practices. Commit to continuous learning and self-improvement to serve the community in a better way. To all the families of sub-inspectors present here, your support has been immense and invaluable. The strength and encouragement you have provided to all these officers have played a crucial role in success of these officers. Today, we share this moment of pride with you. To the instructor of the staff of the academy, your dedication to training and mentoring these officers has been exemplary. Today on the ground, all of us have seen it and how hard work you have done, and the parade has been very, very outstanding. You have instilled in them values of integrity, discipline and service. Your efforts have laid a strong foundation to their careers, and for what I am very grateful to all of you. As a head of the police, we assure the community that these officers are well prepared to face the challenging ahead. They are committed to serving with honor, integrity and professionalism. Today, we all work towards a safer and more secure society. All these officers have been trained well in cyber security, prevention and detection. They have been exposed to investigation in narcotics crime, and they have been exposed to financial crimes and regular law and crime. As Telangana government is taking the policing to the next level under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, it has been in forerunner in initiating several public-centric initiatives for overall development, safe environment and crime-free society. This includes various apps for safety of women, creation of T-NAPs for curbing the menace of drugs and narcotics. It is my honor to share today from this dais that yesterday Honorable Home Minister of India, Mr. Amit Shah ji, awarded us a trophy for best support to I4C Center in Government of India. Our team of cyber crimes has supported and we got the award. Yesterday, head of the Cyber Security Bureau, Mrs. Shikha Goyal, has received the award on behalf of Telangana Police. We are thankful to Honorable Chief Minister for recruiting such a large number of police force at one go to strengthen our hands in combating anti-national and anti-national forces. And Honorable Minister, Chief Minister, all are very keen, this government is very keen to recruit the next batch also. And sir, we promise you that we will raise to the occasion and fulfill the expectations from the society. I must congratulate the Director of Police Academy, Mrs. Abhilasha Bist, for her constant endeavor to maintain the best training standards at this academy in spite of numerous resource and infrastructure constraints, and for having trained these cadets successfully. I can see in the eyes of all of you that after this 10 months of training and for some 9 months of training, I can see a lot of satisfaction on your faces for having trained in this academy, and also the satisfaction that you could achieve this in such a short time. Finally, I urge you to remember that as you step into your roles as sub-inspectors, remember the oath you have taken today. Let it guide your actions and decisions. Stay true to values you have learned and never lose sight of reason you chose to this path to serve and protect the people of Telangana. Congratulations to each one of you. May your careers be filled with success, honor and satisfaction of making a positive difference in the lives of others. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, we now move on to the presentation of the contribution of 1 day's salary of the Police Department to the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Revant Reddy Garu, to the Chief Minister Relief Fund. To do the honors, to present the check, I request Sri Ravi Gupta sir, Additional DG Intelligent Shivadhar Reddy sir, and Telangana Pratinidhulu police officers to kindly come forward and present the check to the Honorable CM for the Chief Minister Relief Fund. 11 crore 6 lakhs 83,571 on behalf of the Telangana Police Department. DG గారి చేతుల మీదుగా చెక్కుని అందిస్తున్నారు. చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్ రిలీఫ్ ఫండ్ కాను 11,683,571 రూపాయల విరాళాన్ని పోలీస్ శాఖ పక్షాన చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్ రిలీఫ్ ఫండ్ కి అందిస్తున్నారు. డీజీ సార్, అలాగే హోమ్ సెక్రటరీ రవి గుప్తా గారు, అడిషనల్ డీజీ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ శివధర్ రెడ్డి గారు మరియు తెలంగాణ పోలీస్ అధికారులు. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. We now know.
Southern Commander Vapas Critch. Dikshant Parade Vishram.
Presentation of trophies.
पुरस्कार विजेता साउथर्न. पुरस्कार विजेता लायनबर्न.
Puraskar Vijetas are walking forward. Honorable Chief Guest and Honorable DGP Sir will now distribute trophies to the Puraskar Vijetas. I invite Srimati Narmada, Deputy Director Induction, to announce the citations of Vijetas.
विजेता सजा. विजेता मस्जिद से छल.
వివిధ కేటగిరీస్ లో విజేతలుగా నిలిచినటువంటి పురస్కార విజేతలకు
सजा.
ట్రోఫీ గౌరవనీయులైన ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారు మరియు డీజీ సార్ చేతుల మీదుగా అందించడం జరుగుతుంది.
विजेता सैल्यूट. विजेता विश्रम.
Announcing the Puraskara Vijetas. P. Bhagyasri, chess number 319. Now, Bhagyasri will be receiving the Home Minister's baton with silver ends for best in indoor subjects among civil cadet assays with 1155.50 marks out of 1400. She is the daughter of Sri P. Nageshwar Rao and Srimati Durga. She also won Chief Minister's Revolver for Best Performance in All-Round category with 1741.40 marks out of 2150. She was born in Sarapaka village, Bhadradri Kottagudem district. Studied BTech and previously worked in Group 4 services as junior assistant prior to this appointment. T. Shashank, chess number 344. She is the daughter of Sri P. Nageswar Rao and Srimati Durga. Born in Sarapaka village, Bhadradri Kottagudem district, she studied B.Tech and previously worked in Group 4 services as junior assistant prior to this appointment.
పురస్కార విజేతలు గట్టిగా చప్పట్లతో అభినందనలు తెలియజేద్దాం.
She is also the parade commander. T. Shashank, chess number 344. Now Shashank will be receiving the Director General of Police Trophy for best performance in outdoor subjects. He secured this among civil cadet assays with 590.80 marks out of 700. He is the son of Sri Madhavachari and Srimati Haripriya. He was born in Kamalapuram village, Munugu district, and is a graduate of B.Tech. B. Mamata, chess number 324. Now Mamata will be receiving the Director's Trophy for best performance in firing among civil cadet assays with 87.40 marks out of 100. She is the daughter of Sri B. Rangareddy and Srimati Indira. Born in Miryalaguda village, Nalgonda district, she studied M.Tech. G. Soumya, chess number 588. Now G. Soumya will be receiving the Director General of Police Trophy for best performance in outdoor subjects among AR cadet assays with 579.20 marks out of 700. She is the daughter of G. Ramachandra Rao and Srimati Swapna. She also won Home Minister's Baton with silver ends for best performance in indoor subjects with 370 marks out of 450. She again won Chief Minister's Revolver for best all-round performance with 999.20 marks out of 1200. She secured this in total 3 categories: best in outdoor, best in indoor and all-rounder. Daughter of G. Ramachandra Rao and Srimati Swapna, she was born in Hyderabad and is a graduate in MBA.
గట్టిగా చప్పట్లతోటి అభినందనలు తెలియజేయవలసిందిగా అందరికీ పేరు పేరున రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం.
P. Nagaraju, chess number 583. Now P. Nagaraju will be receiving the Director's Trophy for best performance in firing among AR cadet assays with 84.40 marks out of 100. Son of Sri Venkataswamy and Srimati Baleshwaramma, he was born in Rajapeta village, Vanaparthi district. He is a graduate in B.Tech and previously worked as civil police constable. G. Tirumalesh, chess number 510. Now G. Tirumalesh will be receiving the Director General of Police Trophy for best performance in outdoor subjects among TGSP cadet assays. He secured 559.80 marks out of 700. He is the son of Sri G. Anjaya and Srimati Durgamma. Born in Shaligoraram,
round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Born in Shaligoraram village, Nalgonda district, he studied BSc and worked as CRPF constable for 3 years and as TGSP constable in 12th Battalion for 2 years prior to this appointment. M. Jaipal, chess number 530. Now M. Jaipal will be receiving the Home Minister's Baton with silver ends for best performance in indoor subjects among TGSP cadet assays with 392 marks out of 450.
Congratulations, a huge round of applause, everybody.
He also won Chief Minister's Revolver for best all-round performance among TGSP cadet assays with 993 marks out of 1200. Son of Sri Vishwanath and Srimati Mirabai, he was born in Pipri village, Sangareddy district. He studied B.Tech and worked as air constable prior to this appointment. C. Sai Krishna, chess number 526. Now, C. Sai Krishna will be receiving the Director's Trophy for Best Performance in Fighting among PGSP Cadet Assis with 84.60 marks out of 100. He is the son of late Sri Suryan Performance in Outdoor Subjects among SPF Cadet Assis with 568.40 marks out of 700. He also won trophy for Best Performance in All-Round. He also won trophy for the Best All-Round Performance among SPF Cadet Assis with 906.40 marks out of 1150. Son of Sri Papaya and Srimati Andalu, he was born in Nunegudam village, Yadadri district and had studied BE. J. Ramesh, chess number 617. Now, J. Ramesh will be receiving the trophy for Best Performance in Indoor Subjects among SPF Cadet Assis with 351.50 marks out of 450. He is the son of Sri J. Anjaya and Srimati J. Mallamma. He was born in Nandivarapatti village, Rangareddy district and had studied BTech and previously worked as Civil Police Constable prior to this appointment. Sai Sumant got chess number 641. Now, Sai Sumant will be receiving the trophy for Best Performance in Outdoor Subjects among IT and C Cadet Assis with 324.60 marks out of 400. He is the son of late Sri C. Sudhakar and Srimati C. Prabhavati. He was born in Hyderabad and is a BTech graduate and had previously worked as software engineer in TCS. A. Naresh, chess number 635. Now, Naresh will be receiving the trophy for Best Performance in Indoor Subjects among IT and C Cadet Assis with 662.50 marks out of 750. He also won the trophy for Best in All-Round Performance among IT and C Cadet Assis with 972 marks out of 1150. He is the son of Sri late Narsaya and Srimati Narsamma and was born in Masanpalli village, Yadadri Bongir district. He studied BTech and previously worked as head constable in CSL and before that as embedded engineer for 3 years. A. Rajarao, chess number 661. Now, Rajarao will be receiving the trophy for Best Performance in Outdoor Subjects among PTO Cadet Assis with 219.50 marks out of 300. He also won the trophy for Best Performance in Indoor Subjects among PTO Cadet Assis with 313.50 marks out of 350. He even won the trophy for Best All-Round Performance among PTO Cadet Assis with 533 marks out of 750. He is the son of Sri A. Krishna and Srimati A. Vijaya and was born in Bodupal village, Merchal Malkasgiri Mandal and is a graduate in BTech. He topped in 3 categories, Best in Outdoor, Best in Indoor and All-Rounder.
Congratulations, ఒకసారి గట్టిగా చప్పట్లతో అభినందనలు.
Yes, Surender, chess number 678. Now Surender will be receiving the trophy for Best Performance in Outdoor Subjects among FPB Cadet Assis with 237.50 marks out of 300. He also won the trophy for Best All-Round Performance among FPB Cadet Assis with 456.50 marks out of 600. He is the son of Sri S. Nageshwar Rao and Srimati S. Chilakamma, born in Mangalagudam village, Khammam district. He studied BTech and previously worked as TGSP constable prior to this appointment. He topped in 2 categories, Best in Outdoor and All-Rounder. M. Akhil, chess number 679. Now, Akhil will be receiving the trophy for Best Performance in Indoor Subjects among FPB Cadet Assis. He secured 237.50 marks out of 300. Son of Sri M. Chandar and Srimati M. Vijaya, he was born in Warangal and studied BTech and previously worked as Assistant Section Officer, Government of India ICMR. G. Venkatrao AD. Now, G. Venkatrao AD will be receiving the DG Director's Medal for Best Indoor Trainer for SETSI Civil. He belongs to the 1991 batch Civil SIs. At TGPA, he acted as course coordinator for AR and TGSP wings and taught investigation theory and practicals to civil cadets. He got the highest positive feedback from the trainees, making him very much eligible for this trophy. He even won the IPM in 2019 and gold medal in badminton in 2017. Aduri Srinivasrao DSP. Now, Aduri Srinivasrao DSP will be receiving the DG Director's Medal for Best Indoor Trainer for SAT RSI's AR category. He was appointed as Civil SI in 1995 and previously worked as SI Chikarpalli, Kachiguda and various other police stations. As DSP, he has been working in TGPA since 2019. He taught crime and investigation, Constitution of India and other subjects. V. Srinivasrao AD. Now, V. Srinivasrao AD will be receiving the DG Director's Medal for Best Indoor Trainer for SET RSI's TGSP. He was appointed as RSI in 1996 and previously worked in Adilabad, Karimnagar, Khammam, Nalgonda and Hyderabad. He taught intelligence and internal security to the TGSP cadets. Next we have B. Balakishan RSI. Now B. Balakishan RSI will be receiving the DG Director's Medal for SAT SI Civil for outdoor. He was appointed as RSI in 2018 and previously worked in Nirmal district.
Congratulations and a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Next we have P.O. Shekaraya, Head Constable. Now P.O. Shekaraya, Head Constable 2581 will be receiving DG Director's Medal for Best Outdoor Trainer for SAT RSI's AR. He was appointed as Constable in 1994 and had previously worked in Greyhounds and Cyberabad. Next we have M. Anjaneyulu ARSI. Now M. Anjaneyulu ARSI will be receiving the DG Director's Medal for Best Outdoor Trainer for SAT RSI's TGSP. He was appointed as RSI in 2006 and had previously worked in 14th Battalion and 17th Battalion. So this concludes our Puraskara Vijetas medals.
Vijeta Southern, Vijeta Saja, Vijeta Salute, Vijeta Piche Mud, Vijeta Madhyase Techal.
Hearty congratulations to all Puraskar Vijetas. మనందరి గట్టిగా చప్పట్లతోటి అభినందనలు తెలియజేద్దాం. పురస్కార విజేతలకు అసామాన్యమైన ప్రతిభను కనబరిచారు. పురస్కార విజేతలు మనస్ఫూర్తిగా అభినందనలు తెలియజేద్దాం.
విజేత జగ్గాలో
తెలంగాణ
Southern